Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we've got the BMW M4 Competition. Let's start at the front, where the M4 Competition features sleek LED headlights with distinctive daytime running lights, providing exceptional visibility and a bold, aggressive look. The large air intakes on either side of the front bumper feed cool air to the engine, helping to optimize performance and efficiency.
What's it like on the road, man?
Yeah, it's good four-wheel drive. I mean, it's...
Goes, isn't it?
Yeah, it goes. I mean, it'll beat any Tesla off the line. Traction, yeah.
You know, I like how everyone, when I ask them about their car, they always reference the Tesla.
Well, Tesla's off the line are quick.
Yeah.
This will beat the Tesla off the line, and then it'll destroy it. Yeah, I've raced a couple. Yeah, you get a lot of people trying to race me, and a lot of people coming up to it, especially when it's clean.
Yeah.
As you heard, the M4 is an absolute beast on the road. With its powerful S50A 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6, pushing 510 horsepower and 650 newton meters of torque. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds.
Nah, I don't think so. Because he's like, I only got that one because he has a dog. 57,000 miles. Yes, I must be enjoying that.
And check out the aggressive rear design, complete with sleek LED tail lights, a bold rear diffuser, and not to mention the quad exhaust pipes, which deliver a throaty growl that's music to the ears of any driving enthusiast. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.